Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in bracket x minus 1 raised to power 4 plus x plus 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 82. And here, what to solve for the value of x equals question mark. To solve this, solution. So we have in bracket x minus 1 all raised to power 4 plus in bracket x plus 3 all raised to power 4 equals 82. So right here we can express minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as 1 minus 2. And also we can write 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2, such that this equation then becomes in bracket x plus 1 minus 2 to replace minus 1 all raised to power 4 plus in bracket x plus 3 becomes 1 plus 2 all raised to power 4 is equal to 82. Now at this junction we are going to say let x plus 1 equals m. So we have x plus 1 here, we have x plus 1 here. So this then becomes in brackets m minus 2 all raised to power 4 plus in brackets m plus 2 all raised to power 4 is equal to 82. So from here we can write this equation as in brackets m minus 2 all squared all raised to power 2, then plus this can be written as in brackets n plus 2 all raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to 82. With this, looking at this right here, this is in the form of a minus b all squared. And if you have a minus b all squared, this equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So expanding this, we have in brackets m squared plus 4 minus 4m, right, all raised to power 2 plus also this right here is in the form of a plus b all squared. And if you have a plus b all squared, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this then becomes in brackets m squared plus 4 plus 4m all raised to power 2 is equal to 82. Now with this, the next thing we're going to do is to say let a equals m squared plus 4 while b is equal to 4m. So we replace m squared plus 4 with a and we replace 4m with b. So this equation then becomes in brackets a minus b all squared plus in brackets a plus b all squared is equal to 82. So with this, the next thing we're going to do is to expand this. A minus b all squared is simply a squared plus b squared minus 2ab plus a plus b squared is simply a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this is equal to 82. And from here, minus 2ab, we cancel plus 2ab. We are left with a squared plus a squared is equal to 2a squared. Then plus b squared plus b squared is simply 2b squared. And this is equal to 82. Now, at this junction, we're going to factorize out 2 from here. 2 into bracket a squared plus b squared is equal to 82. So then, divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 we divide 2. We have a squared plus b squared is equal to 82 over 2 is simply 41. Now, at this junction, we are then going to, we said from here, let a equals m squared plus 4 and b equals to 4m. So we replace back a with this and b with this. So we have this in brackets. A is m squared plus 4 all raised to power 2 plus b was 4m in brackets 4m all squared is equal to 41. Now, if we expand this bracket, we're going to have m raised to power 4 plus 8m squared plus 16. And also, if we expand 4m squared, this becomes 16m squared is equal to 41. Then the next thing is to move 41 over to this side. So this becomes, we have m raised to power 4, then plus 8m squared plus 16m squared is simply plus 24m squared. Then we have plus 16. 41 comes to this side, minus 41 equals to, here becomes 0. And with this, we have m raised to power 4 plus 24m squared plus 16 minus 41. That will give us minus 25 equals to 0. Now, this can be simplified further as in brackets m raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 plus 24m squared minus 25. This equals 0. At this junction, we're going to say let m squared equals to y. So we replace m squared with y. This becomes y squared plus 24y minus 25 is equal to 0. So looking at this, okay, we can solve this with factorization method. So we're going to have this y squared. Now we can replace plus 20y as minus y plus 25y. Then we have minus 25. This is equal to 0. So from here, we factorize out y from this. We have y into brackets y minus 1. And then we factorize plus 25 from here, plus 25. We are left with y minus 1. So all of this is equal to 0. At this junction, we'll pick the ones outside the bracket into one bracket. We have y plus 25. Then we have this common factor y minus 1, y minus 1, pick 1, we have y minus 1, then equate it to 0. So from here, we are going to equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have y plus 25 equals 0 or y minus 1 equals 0. And from here, the value of y is equal to minus 25. Y from here, the value of y is equal to 1. So we've gotten the value of y, but then recall that from here, we said let m squared equals to y, right? So recall that m squared is equal to y. Now, for the first solution of y, which is minus 25, for y1 equals minus 25, to solve for the value of m, making use of this equation, this becomes m squared is equal to minus 25. To then solve for m, simply square root the both sides of the equation, square cancel square root, we have m is equal to plus or minus root minus 25 can be written as root 25 times root minus 1. So m is equal to plus or minus root 25 is 5, then times root minus 1 is I. With this, we have two solutions for the value of m. m1 is equal to plus 5i, y for m2 is equal to minus 5i. Now these are the two values of m for the first solution of y to equal minus 25. What of the second solution of y, which equals 1? So right here that y2 is equal to 1. Let us solve for the value of m, making use of this equation. So we have m squared is equal to y is 1. So to then solve for m, simply square root this equation, square cancel square root, m is equal to plus or minus root 1 is 1. So with this, we have two solutions of m. m1 is equal to plus 1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Now, the goal is to solve for x. So recall that from here, we said let x plus 1 equals m. So we use that to solve for x right here. We recall that x plus 1 is equal to m. So inputting these values of m into this equation to solve for x, for m1, the value of x, so x1 then plus 1 is equal to m1 is 1, so 1. So therefore x1 is equal to 0. With this, we have gotten the first solution of x. What of for x2, which equals minus 1? Also input it into this equation. We have that for x2, then plus 1 equals m is minus 1 minus 1. From here, the solution for x2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, for m as 5i, inputting the value of m as 5i into this equation, what we have for the solution of x, so x3 then plus 1 is equal to m is 5i. So therefore, the value of x3 is equal to 5i minus 1. What of the other one, which is the value of m2 to equal minus 5i? So also input this into this equation. We have it that x4 plus 1 is equal to minus 5i. From here, x4 is equal to minus 5i minus 1. With this, we have gotten the first solution for the value of x. We have x1 to equal 0, x2 to equal minus 2, x3 to equal 5i minus 1, and then x4 to equal minus 5i minus 1. So with this, we have gotten the solutions for x for the given question. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.